So my new tubes for wholesale are finally here. This is my second wine tube option I'm going to be offering for wholesale field. And if you've been watching the previous videos, you already know where I purchased these from. If you're new here, then you don't know. I'm going to tell you, I'm going to inform you. These are from Alibaba.com. If you have a business and you're looking for custom products, or maybe just tubes to sell for wholesale, or tubes for your regular purchase glosses, retail, whatever you want to call it, they have those products available. They have lots of different options. If you don't know how to navigate the website or the app, I do have a video on how to do that. Just check my page out, and I also have a video on how to order samples, so make sure you go check those videos out. But yes, these are from Alibaba.com, and they also have more stuff other than tubes. They have jars, they have custom packaging, like literally they have everything that you could possibly need for your business up there. So make sure you go check them out. I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into this. I'm so excited about this. It was my first time ever doing a poll, and I asked my followers which tube I should purchase. I didn't tell them if it was going to be for wholesale or not. I just said which tube, and it was between this tube and a tube that had black and like a rose gold on it, and they chose the plain black one. So that's the one that I ordered. I ordered 500 of these tubes. So of course we have the stoppers. These are key, okay? And they look pretty. So these ones are 6 ml. So I decided to get a black top wine tube for my next option for wholesale. Another plain option. If you've been watching my video, I mentioned in one of my previous vlogs that I wanted to offer more tube options this year, so that my customers won't get bored, or they, you know, feel like they have to go somewhere else to find a tube that they like. So now we have a black top wine tube, and we also have a white top wine tube, and we have a silver top squeeze tube and a clear top squeeze. So this year I want to bring in more tube options for my customers, different colors. So I'm starting off with like the plain colors. So the next tube option I'll order will be a squeeze tube, and then we'll do another wine tube. But yeah. So once again, these are from Alibaba.com. And this is how they look. So I ordered 500 of these tubes. I have a lot of washing to do. I don't know if y'all can see inside the box. This box is extremely heavy. But yeah, this is how they look. And I ordered these from the same vendor that I ordered my white top wine tubes from. I'm still waiting on my 2 samples. The lady did message me the other day and sent me a picture, but y'all know how I was telling y'all how she was insistent on the black logo. She ended up sending me a picture of the tube with the black logo. So she has to go ahead and change that because I still want the white logo. So I'm still waiting on that to get done. But this is here, and I actually have someone that is waiting on these tubes to be available. So yeah, if you're looking for products for your business, tubes, jars, custom packaging. If you sell skincare products, they have bottles. Hair care products, they have bottles up there, and you can get custom packaging. Like I said in my previous video, the shipping is a little pricey. Me personally, I believe that it's worth it because you're getting great products. Like look at these. Look at these wine tubes, okay? And they have so many different options. There's so many different options to choose from. So many tubes, so many jars, so many bottles. And they have lots of different vendors. You're able to order samples. You're able to like actually have a conversation with the seller and get your questions answered. So yeah, make sure you check out my other videos because I did like go in depth and talk about everything. But I really just wanted to like do an unboxing and show you guys my new tubes. I'm so excited about this. So we have another option available. If you guys are interested in wholesale field, it is available. These will be available really soon. I will be sending out email to my subscribers. Make sure you're subscribed to my website so that you'll be the first to know about new arrivals and sales, discounts, stuff like that. But yeah, these will probably be available within a week. I am about to go ahead and start soaking these, let them, you know, get clean and stuff, and then rinse them out and let them dry, air dry. So they do have to go through that process, and it is kind of long, but they will be available in May. But yeah, make sure you guys check out Alibaba.com for your small or big business product needs. So right now I'm going to go ahead and start counting these to make sure I have 500. So I currently have 260 tubes soaking right now. I'm gonna let them soak for a few hours and then I'm gonna rinse them out and put the others in here. I'm about to work on a 30 silver top squeeze tube wholesale order. She ordered the glosses Millionaire, Billionaire, and Wealthy, 10 of each. Hope you guys enjoy this little filling content. This is the end result of this order. So pretty. These tubes are 10 ml. Wholesale filled is available for anyone that is interested. So I am currently trying to figure out what I want to do for my new business card, because I think I only have like 3 or 4 left, so it's definitely time to go ahead and get some new ones. I don't know if I want to like change it up. I'm definitely changing the font because my logo is different now, but I don't know if I want to like change the words and just, you know, make it different. But I also did create a thank you card. I guess I'll show it once I have it in my hands, but yeah, this one I'm working on right now. But I do love how my thank you card looks. I just have to figure out what I want to do for my business card, and then I'm going to order both of these. It's been a couple days since I've returned to this vlog, but I'm about to make some gloss. I guess I'm going to show y'all how I make my gloss. Me, Sha'Naya O'Shea, how I gotta make sure y'all can hear me. How I make my lip gloss. You may make yours a different way, but as long as it comes out the way, you know, you need it to, that's all that matters. I just gotta make that clear. We may do a step a different way. I have 9 jars to fill. I'm gonna make 2 glosses on camera with y'all and then the rest off camera because it's a lot. I received my largest order the other day and literally I started crying because I don't know, I was just so shocked. So I'm gonna get my scale just to keep track of the weight while I'm pouring the gloss into the bowl. I'm gonna zero it out like that, and then you just pour your gloss into the bowl. So now the next thing that I do is add my oils. You can add whatever oils you want to use for your gloss. So after that, I put my pigment on top of the oil. Then I add my flavoring oils. So that is how I make my lip gloss. Really simple, really easy. So now I'm gonna go ahead and make the rest up, and then I'll come back and fill these jars. And these are all of the glosses mixed up. So I'm about to do 2 of these on camera this way, and then I'm gonna have to switch the angle because I had to film for my Instagram. I'm about to put Wealthy in the jar, and then Dream Chaser. This one is chocolate scented. Filled. I hope that y'all enjoyed that little filler content, because my freaking arm hurts, okay? Like, it hurts really bad, but I'm just glad that I got all this done. You need glosses for your wand tubes, squeeze tubes, mini jars, whatever it is. If you need glosses, we have them available. We have lots of pretty colors. These are all scented with oils. That's what they ordered, but you can get them unscented and no oils. Those are the only 2 options that we offer. We do have clear gloss available. Everything, prices, scents, the names of each gloss, everything is literally on the website. And the website is in the description box. So now I'm just waiting on these to get dry. I have 40 lip scrubs to fill. It is 7:49 a.m. and I'm up right now. This is surprising, okay? But I'm up and getting stuff done. So I made the blueberry and birthday cake lip scrubs yesterday, and then I filled them today. So I just had to make the strawberry and pineapple, which I'm gonna do after I eat. I was gonna film this, but I ain't feel like moving everything and then putting on something I guess kind of up to par. But yeah, so I should be able to ship these off. It's the next day now, and it's 9:05 p.m. and I'm about to go ahead and fulfill this lip scrub order. I don't know what was going on, but yesterday was a crazy day. Like, I got multiple orders. They just kept coming in. And then today I got 2 orders. And y'all know how I just showed y'all, I think I showed y'all, no, I might have told y'all, I don't know. But I received my largest order. No, bruh. I literally just received my largest order today. It was higher than the one I just talked about yesterday. So I have a lot of work to do. Like, this is not it. I just ordered these earlier yesterday and they arrived the next day. So we're back stocked up on lip scrub jars and 8-ounce jars. Today I'm going to be working on these 2 orders, both wand tubes, 130. So this is 130 glosses. I'm gonna have a video where I pack up lots of orders coming out really soon. So stay tuned for that.